Guys, super excited to be unboxing this. This is a smart tracking mobile phone holder packed with lots of tech and lots of cool features, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Yes, a smart tracking mobile phone holder. What even is that? Well, first off guys, you know, if you watch my videos, I usually buy a lot of tech that I review myself with my own money, and I'm also sent gear by companies to review. However, I'm not sponsored or anything like that to make this video, or actually any of the other videos that I've made, so you know you're always going to get my honest opinion about this stuff. However, I was sent this by a company called TiK-ToK, so guys, thank you for that. So guys, this little device will hold your mobile phone. You can manually tilt it, but this thing will automatically track your face and it will rotate 355 degrees in order to follow you around. So let's get this unboxed and see what we have.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting.
So guys, there we have it. In the box we have a thank you card. Thank you. We also have an instruction manual, which is pretty thin but very self-explanatory. So on the top we have this clamp arrangement here. It's spring loaded and it does kind of tilt up and down, so you can kind of see that. On the front you have the AI camera here, which is what actually does the tracking, so this thing will follow you around. Underneath you have a little indicator light. On the back here you've got the power on off button, so that enables you to turn the power on and off, obviously. Here you've got a micro USB connector, which will enable you to plug this into like a power pack, a battery pack, something like that, to externally power it. On the bottom I'm gonna just unscrew this, and here you can install 3 AA batteries to self-power this. Also on the bottom of the base you've got a screw thread which will enable you to attach this to a tripod, so that's all cool. So guys, why would I need one of these? Well, let's say you're on a conference call. You can pop your mobile phone in like this. Oh, actually I've turned it on and it's spinning round to track my face. So I couldn't have even rehearsed that. Pop your phone in, portrait mode or landscape mode. Pop that in there like that, and you can fire up your conference app, whether it be Microsoft Teams or Zoom or whatever conference app you use, and you can kind of put this down on the table or connect it to a tripod if you need to make it a bit higher. And then guys, you've got a conference solution. You've got your video camera on you, you're in a conference call, your hands free, happy days. If you move around, this thing will track you around the room and you're always going to stay in the frame. So that's pretty cool, huh? Not only that, maybe you're doing an Instagram live stream or a YouTube live stream. Again, you can pop your phone in, turn the thing on, fire up Instagram or YouTube or whatever, and boom, you're good to go. The rotation of this is 355 degrees, so that's quite a lot of rotation almost all the way round. Yes, that's a lot of movement if you're on a video call, but hey, it can do it. Or maybe if you're vlogging and you're a bit of a fidget and you want to kind of keep moving around and doing stuff, or if you want to kind of, you know, show someone something, you just want to move away from the camera or move around or whatever, this thing is going to follow you around. So 355 degrees, that is quite a lot of rotation, and that's good. So guys, there's no app that comes with this device. Like I said, it's got its own AI-driven built-in camera for tracking purposes. So use it with whatever conference app, streaming app, whatever you want to use it with, even just your camera, and this thing is going to be ready to go straight out of the box. Throw your batteries in, hit the power button, happy days. And like I said, powering it up, you can either use the 3 AA batteries, and I think you get round about 50 hours on standby, so you know, pretty reasonable, or you can use the USB, micro USB connector with nearly like a battery pack, and then again, you know, you've got tons and tons of power up capability. So dual power, can't be bad. So guys, if you use your mobile phone for conference calls, FaceTime calls, live streaming, or you just want to take cool selfies without having to hold the camera, or even if you want to film some crazy TikTok videos, then this is a pretty cool, inexpensive device. So guys, I will link all of the features and a link to where you can pick one of these up in the description box. This is an inexpensive, simple but effective piece of kit that you can use either for business purposes or just to have a bit of fun with. Christmas is coming guys, so go out and get one. So thanks to TiK-ToK for sending me this device to review. Thank you to you guys for watching. As I said, I will leave a link in the description box of the features and a link to where you can buy one of these. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Please like, subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. And guys, look out for the video that I am going to be giving this away in. Not with the phone though. No. But guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.